Welcome to Let I Paint with RAEART. I'm your host, Darren James Ray. We're going to go ahead and slap down some yellow on this crazy funky little square painting canvas. Awesome cuteness. So bear with me, and here we go. Time to add some yellow. Whoa, drippity drip. Stoppity stop. I've gone ahead and added a little bit of pink to spicing it up. Sunset. By painting with RAEART. So guys, just come chill with us here at the RAEART Studios. We're gonna go slap it down. Don't you wanna join us? It's gonna be fun, entertainment for everybody. Come on down to RAEART Town. We're gonna not do it right. We're gonna try to do it right. We're gonna add some spray paint to these babies back here. And we're just gonna slap it down delightfully and deliciously with some superb colors. We've got all these. Now let's go ahead and just do it. Let's slap it down, folks. Boy and girl.